Do you have horses?
Are you a car buff in need of a workshop?
I get this feeling, I can't fight it.
Are you a multi-generational buyer and looking for an in-law suite?
On the inside of my eyelids.
This 4.73 sprawling acre offers a 4-stall horse barn for your horses, a workshop for your car collection, a 4,000 square foot home with a 1-bedroom in-law suite.
This unique horse property is one of a kind. Welcome to 24920 30th Avenue.
Spend a minute in the shade, might as well have been black. When the smoke cleared out, all I found was a fire. Looking round, I ain't sure how much else I can find. 'Cause I've been lost for a while on the inside. But I'll be good, yeah. I still got plenty of fire underneath my hood, yeah. Feel like I'm flying 80 miles out my sunroof, yeah. All of my plans were in the air and still they foolproof, yeah. I guess I left all of my troubles in my rearview mirror. With my head up above the clouds, the sky always staying clear. I get this feeling, I get this feeling, yeah. I can't fight it, can't fight it. Just like the colors have been dancing round and round.
If you'd like more information about this listing or any of our listings, give us a call at 778-322-7696. I'm Sherry.
And I'm Manpreet Sidhu with the Sherry Saran Real Estate Group, where creating better lives is our purpose.